What's up, guys? Another new release here. This is the full-size Pariah, and this is the button lock version, the manual. They also make an auto. This is the manual version, and we've got the USA camo carbon, red, white, and blue, which is appropriate on today, the day after the election, and Donald Trump is back as president. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. All right, and we also got this battle-worn aluminum, battle-worn DLC blade, blizzard worn aluminum. So really cool look to this aluminum handle. It's got a blue anodized blue pivot collar, and then the battle worn blade. So again, it's a manual button lock, which is great action. And this is the full size Pariah. So we got two versions to show you today, the blizzard worn and the USA America camo carbon handles. Knives.com. Have a nice day.